Mike here, The Fresh Rents. It is Monday morning, getting a fresh start on phase 2 of this plant cleaning. You may remember that I began this factory wash last month with phase 1 of 3. This is phase 2 of 3. They want me to wash one section or one phase per month because of their billing cycle, and I'm thinking that my price exceeded the total amount for each month. So they're having me to do it one phase every 3 months. Interesting. So phase 2 consists of this complete south side of the facility, which goes down here, goes around, and then back into the facility, over and around, all the way down there. I'm thinking probably 2 hours, something like that. I didn't get here till almost 10 o'clock, so I slept in. So this building has just a faint indication of some mold, very minimal. Should be an easy clean. Little SH should do the trick. Washing from the top down. What is wrong with the Fresh Rents? Go ahead, lay it on me. I can handle it. 2 years ago when I washed, this rock wasn't here and it was just grass and dirt. And all of this has splashed up here. I'm gonna see if hydrofluoric acid, i.e. aluminum brightener, will eat away a little bit at this rust backslash clay. Mixed it about 3 to 1. It does appear to be helping some. And of course, some of this is rust on this tin building, so I don't expect it to come out completely. Okay, so I have found the solution. Oxalic acid and then brushing. Comes right off. One-handed, baby. And I'll give that a rinse. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with that. That'll work. That'll do it. Check that out. Oh yeah, very happy with that. Super excited about the end of this week. This is Monday. I worked Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday washing. But then Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, I will be leaving for Red River Gorge in Slade, Kentucky. 3 days, 2 nights solo backpacking trip. Through hikes, through several trails there. Very minimal food, very minimal provisions, all by myself. No cell service, true roughing it. Looking forward to it. I'll be doing some videos on that. It's gonna be fun. So I have washed all the way through here to this point. Actually, I've washed to that point. And I'm about 45 minutes in. I'm gonna break into this equipment room and turn on some water. There we go. Go back into my channel about a year ago. I surface cleaned this entire area. A lot harder than it looked. Now I'm just cleaning the walls. lot of fun. I don't prefer to spray above these trailers. I really don't have any other option. This plant is open 24 hours a day, so it's not like there's a closing time when there's just a better opportunity to wash. I gotta wash when I can. So. This factory really trusts me with the care of the exterior of their building, and so I'd like to think that I always do a good job. That I, in particular, want to take care of these people because they're so kind to me. In the many years that I've been working for them, I've never really met anyone. No one checks on me. They just trust me. They found me on a Facebook ad 5 years ago. I've washed thus far all the way to the end there, back into that recessed area where we were a minute ago. And now I'm washing all of this. And phase 2 ends at the end down there. This area here in particular has a lot of organic growth, mainly in the form of lichen. That will come off, but it may take a little bit of pressure with the Davis shooter tip, the 8-gallon-a-minute machine. This area is paint that has faded. So you're seeing the color of the aluminum or fiberglass, whatever that is. But all this should come off. And it is coming off. All right, it is 2:23. It took me a few hours longer than what I had anticipated. That's okay. The lichen was thick from there to there. Plus, they have no water spigot or source on this side right here, this end. So I had to go down and get 275 from way down there to fill up just one more time. So everything you see here that looks blotchy is just faded paint. So phase 1 and 2 is complete, and phase 3 begins here, goes the length of the factory, and a lot of little nooks and crannies back there. Hey, guess what? As of this morning, I've lost 13 pounds. Fresh Rinse is going to be dwindling away to nothing. So I'm done. I'm going to go home. The wheels for my Fiero, I think, are in. And so can't wait to go home. We'll check that out. All right, don't go anywhere. We'll see if it's there. If not, don't forget, in everything you do, have fun doing it. Mike, this is the Fresh Rinse.